The science of quantum dots. This is the topic of discussion in today's lecture. This topic, quantum dots, you would get in the subject of quantum mechanics. Yes, what are quantum dots? Quantum dots are nothing but nanoscale size semiconductor particles. Yes, size is of the order of nanometer. You know, 1 nanometer is equal to 1 billionth of a meter. Means 1 nanometer is equal to 10 to the power minus 9 meter. So this is very small. So here, when the particle size is so small, so in that case, the laws of classical physics are not applicable. Okay, here the laws which are applicable is only quantum mechanics. Okay, principle of quantum mechanics are applicable for these nanoscale size particles, and these are what? These are nothing but semiconductor particles. These particles are used to create different technologies. Okay, so here, so I have mentioned that only quantum mechanics, these laws are applicable. That means you would get completely new type of behavior of these particles, which normally do not match with that of macro scale particles. Okay, so these are nanoscale particles. So there are actually numerous applications of these nanoscale size semiconductor particles. Okay, but here I will discuss only three things. One is display. Display means display of your smartphone, display of your TV, which is normally known as QLED TV. Okay, then for your smartphone, so that is for display. Then solar cells are there. You know, photovoltaic cells, which use sunlight to produce electricity. Okay, then one more thing is there, that is bioimaging and medical diagnostics. Means in the field of medicine or in the field of medical sciences, there are numerous applications of these nanoscale size particles, that is applications of quantum dots. Dot is what is being used because the size of the particles are so small. That's why these are called quantum dots. Just keep in your mind that these are nothing but semiconductor particles. Okay. So first let us discuss about display. So I have already mentioned that for your smartphone screen display. Okay. And then TV such as QLED TV. So in those cases, there are applications of quantum dots, and if you use, means if companies use this technology, okay, for the manufacturing of your display device, then in that case you will get high level of brightness, high level of accuracy, pure color. So these qualities are normally not available if you use other technologies, if you use traditional technologies. But if you use this technology, this nanotechnology, yes, this is of course nanotechnology. Okay, so if you use this technology, everything will be enhanced. That means overall display quality will be enhanced if you use this technology. Again, in case of solar cells, that is photovoltaic cells, you know that there are heat losses, means there are energy losses. Those cells are not so much efficient, but if you use this technology, that is quantum dots, then in that case, actually what is the benefit of quantum dots? Why enhanced efficiency, enhanced color, everything is obtained? Because the light emitted by these semiconductor devices consists of specific wavelength, and that wavelength depends upon the size of the particles. If size of the particles are very small, in that case you will get blue light, and if the size is not so small, if the size is larger, then in that case you will get red light. So depending upon the size of the nanoparticles, okay, the specific wavelength you would get. That means by tuning the size of the particles at your will or at your requirement, according to your requirement, you would get different colors, you would get your required wavelengths. So in case of photovoltaic cells also means solar cells also, you can absorb a specific wavelength of the sunlight, and accordingly you can convert that sunlight into electricity, and in that case you will get means efficiency will be enhanced in that way. Again, in case of medical imaging technology, the same technology can be used. These quantum dots can be used as fluorescent markers to track the passage of the medicine, to track the path of the medicine. Again, targeted drug delivery. For that purpose also, these quantum dots can be used. For imaging technology, medical imaging technology, these quantum dots can be used. So, as fluorescent markers, these quantum dots are used in case of medical sciences. Challenges are there. Are there any challenges in this field? Yes, of course, there are challenges. Physicists are still doing the research work in this field because challenges are there. New technologies are being developed by the scientists, no doubt. And with the existing technologies, there are so many problems. Yes, problems are there. Again, solutions are also there. Somehow they are, or the companies or the scientists or the physicists are manipulating this technology to get the desired result, and they have become successful. Anyway, so this was all about the topic, the science of quantum dots. Actually, scientists are expecting to develop many technologies using this nanotechnology, using these nanoscale size particles, using these quantum dots. Okay, so our future can see tremendous drastic change by the help of these nanoparticles. Anyway, so this was all about the topic quantum dots, the science of quantum dots. So this is now the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video.